teacher.
What's your name, my friend?
My name is Sunny.
And how old are you, Sunny?
I'm 6.
6. Can you find me number 6? Oh, that one is 6. Maybe this number 6?
No.
No? This number 6?
No.
No. That one, huh?
Yes.
Very good. And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam. Where's Vietnam? Maybe this Vietnam?
No.
No. Are you sure? This one?
Yes.
Very good. Tell me, please, what animal do you like?
I like dog.
Dogs. Do you see dogs in this picture?
No.
This one is a dog. Huh? This one is a dog.
No.
This one is a dog.
Yes.
Okay, that's pretty good. Are you ready to start our test?
Yes.
Then give me a bite. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, okay, good, Sunny. Alright, let's look. Wow, I see pictures. Tell me please, who is this?
This is my family.
Your family, that
Me,
is
my family.
amazing. Okay, tell me please, who is this?
This is my grandpa. My grandpa is tired.
Very good. And
This-
next to your grandpa?
This is my grandma. My grandma is cold.
Okay.
This is my sister. My sister is thirsty. This is my uncle. My uncle is happy. This is my daddy. My daddy is happy. This is my mommy. My mommy is hungry. This is my aunt. My aunt is hot.
Okay.
This me.
You are? How are you?
I'm surprised.
Surprise. And this is?
This is my sister. My sister is sleepy.
You're sleeping. Very good. Give me a five. Bam. Great job, Sonny. Goodbye.
Bye.